Now you have the perfect yellow cross with all four sides have inverted T. Next, we want to solve these four corners. But first, we want to count how many corners that are already in place. So these corners are already in place. So you have this corner in between the red center and blue center, and it has two sides with the color match with the adjacent side. So we call this corner in place. This corner is out of place for the same reason. This corner is also out of place, and this corner is also out of place. So in this case, you only have one corner that is already in place. So sometime you may have 0 corner that are already in place. If you don't have any corner that is already in place, then you're going to perform the next move that I'm going to show you from any direction. But in this case, since we have this corner already in place, then we're going to orient the cube so that this corner is going to be in your top right facing you. And then we're going to perform this move. U, R, U prime, L prime, U, R prime, U prime, L. So that move is going to fix more corners. So now let's take a look at this corner. Now it's already in place. This corner is in place and solved. And this corner is also in place. So now I have 4 corners. So now I'm ready to solve this cube with the next step.